In this video, I just want to demonstrate how to use the manual clustering feature in Behavior Analytics. So here we are in the replay clustering interface. We have some replay results, and I'm going to select one. And I'll run it to its initial convergence. And at this point, it'll say drag students is on, which means that we can now rearrange the clustering memberships. So for instance, I think actually these two should have been their own cluster, so I want this one in that cluster, and I wanted this student in that cluster. And so now the yellow cluster has three students, the manual yellow cluster has these three students. Green cluster is just this student, and this is the blue cluster. So it's possible, of course, to change them back. Just drag and drop them from whichever group you want them to be in, and they'll be in that group. It's very simple to use. If we're going to look at the clustering dashboard results, it's a good idea to name the clustering results, name the clustering analysis, sorry. So this one we'll call it manual clusters. We'll save that. We'll go back to the clustering dashboard. And so now if we view our summary by graph, which is what we're viewing now, we can see the analysis name here, 3 clusters, 4 clusters, manual clusters. This is the one we've just had. So we can look at the data, see where it's at, and as this updates in the background, we can come back and see where it is at that particular point in time, which groups the students got clustered into by the system clustering, and which ones were manually grouped. And as well as listing the students, you can also get the precision, recall, and depth measures as well. And then there's a bar chart that shows how many members are in each cluster. Hovering over the bar chart will show which students are in which cluster and even the difference between them. And so that's how to use the manual clustering features.